Every parenting book that you ever read about siblings is going to tell you to remain calm when your kids are fighting. And I'm going to tell you honestly, I never managed to do that. What I did manage to do was train myself to comfort the injured party before dealing with the injurer. So you don't want hurting to become the main way and the most efficient way for your child to get your attention. So just pause for a second, comfort the injured party. This also gives us a chance to calm down for a few seconds, and then you turn to the injurer and figure out how to move forward. So what can we do with the injurer? Get back on track with being a good kid as quickly as possible. One of my favorite questions to ask is, what can you do to help her feel better? So let's say one kid knocked over the other kid's block tower. You can say, your sister is really upset because her block tower is knocked over. What can you do to help her feel better? And you can do this even if that was the kid who knocked it over.